Club. Ang galing ng inyong Rotary information. And I consider myself very lucky to be the assistant governor assigned to this club. Mukhang wala na akong gagawin dahil sa ano pa lang, sa membership ninyo na 74, mukhang you are already considered really a strong club. And then yung sa sinabi nga dito na sa memo of governor's visit, ay no wonder yung mga projects na inilista ninyo dito ay siguradong ma-accomplish. I got hold of these plans and programs last Tuesday during the governor's visit sa Rotary Club of Marikina North. And one of the issues or very important trust na talagang i-stress ni Governor Rafi ay ang membership growth. Double the membership. Dito sa kung susundan natin yung double the membership, ay that means 7. Yeah. But that is a very, kagaya nga sabi ni Tony Pidilino, medyo iba na ang panahon ngayon So, aim high, Aim high. So, double the membership. Ang siguradong itatanong ni Governor Rafi, kasi it seems na wala namang, hindi pa nakita yung specific plan. How are you going to do it? And how are you going to implement it? And most likely, due on next week, July 28, tatanong niya how many have you recruited and how many will be inducted. Siguro, ganun niya. Kasi every 2 months, the progress of this membership growth